Hello, it's that bond guy again, and we're going to talk a little bit about bond math. I've always liked bond math. I've loved playing with math and calculating different things with it. We're going to look at how we can calculate how the price of the bond is going to move to interest rates. So we look at what's called a modified duration. And the first thing that we have to do to figure that out is look at Macaulay duration. So we do a quick calculation here, and we can figure out what that is. And then we want to find out from that what is the modified duration. So we're looking at market value and yields, and then we go and we take the calculation that we did on the Macaulay duration, and we can come up with a number there. And in this example, let's use the number 4. So if the duration's 4 and interest rates move up 1%, the value of the bond would drop down 4%. So $1 million bond would be $960,000. We can look at things on a different way, and it's fun to look at the math on this as well. We're looking at the Macaulay duration on a coupon date, and we're looking at zero coupon bonds, we're looking at discount bonds and premium bonds, and what we want to see is how they relate to the time to maturity, and mathematically we can graph it like this. Well, instead of doing the math all the time on this stuff, I just decided to build a tool that would do all this for me. I could go through and enter a CUSIP number, number of bonds, and what the price was, and I would go down and see what the fair market value was, and I could go back and historically look at the price of that bond and see how we're doing. I could look at 30 days and try and look at, where I want to buy it, buy low, sell high, remember. And then the math comes in real handy here is I start looking at the interest rate, and I just built it to where it does all the calculations of the math right there, so I can just get a visibility and not do it longhand, which is so much easier. From that, I can make much better informed decisions, and also I can see what the fair market value is and what somebody is trying to sell it to me for. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed that bond guy. Thank you.